In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp for generating insights using advanced AI. Whether you're curious about global economic forecasts or just enjoy exploring the vast capabilities of AI, this guide will help you ask complex questions and get comprehensive answers with ease. To begin, you'll need to open your WhatsApp application. This is the app we'll be using to initiate a conversation with an AI that can provide detailed analyses based on your inquiries. Once you've successfully launched the app, the next step is to start a new chat. This is done by locating and selecting the chat icon, usually found in the corner of the screen, which will allow you to initiate a new conversation. Now, in the recipient field, you'll need to enter a specific phone number. The number you'll be using is for a service called Perplexity, which is +1 833 436 3285. Make sure you enter it correctly to ensure the message is sent to the right recipient. It's like having a multifaceted research assistant at your fingertips. Though added precautions are always a good idea. Double-check the number so your inquiry ends up in the right place. With the chat window open for Perplexity, it's time to compose your prompt. The question we want to ask today is, describe how global inflation, interest rates, and trade tensions have evolved in 2025. Which countries are most affected, and what are economists predicting for 2026? When crafting a prompt, remember to be clear and precise. Your question should clearly communicate the kind of information you're seeking, allowing the AI to provide the most accurate and informative response. Once your question is ready and you've reviewed it for clarity, all that's left is to tap the Submit button. After you send off your question, you'll typically receive a detailed, insightful response. This AI is designed to analyze and synthesize data from various sources to give you a comprehensive summary of the economic topics you're curious about. Remember, this isn't just a tool for one-time use. You can continue to explore all manner of topics, so don't hesitate to ask more questions about different issues or areas of interest. If you're an economic enthusiast, a student, or just someone who loves staying informed, this service offers an exciting gateway to understanding complex global trends. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only expanded your knowledge, but also learned how to leverage technology in new ways. Thanks for watching, and stay inquisitive.